Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here is some Independence Day questions for you. Let it check how many you guys got correct. Question 1. What is the theme for 77 years of Independence Day celebrations? And your options are Self-Reliant India, Promote India's Culture, Nation First, Always First, or none of the above. And the right answer is C. Nation First, Always First. Going on to question number 2. When did India got independence from Britain? And the options are 26 Jan 1950, 14 August 1947, 15 August 1950, or 15 August 1947. And the answer is 15 August 1947. Question number 3. Who became the first president of Indian National Congress? Ramesh Chandra Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahatma Gandhi, or Surendranath Banerjee? And the right answer is A. Ramesh Chandra Banerjee. Going to question number 4. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence? And the options are Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, Ramsay MacDonald, or Lord Mountbatten. And your answer is it's B. Clement Attlee. Going on to question number 5. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? And the options are first Rajendra Prasad, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jawaharlal Nehru, or Indira Gandhi. And the right answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Now the question number 6. Who wrote the National Anthem of India? Options are Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Surendranath Banerjee, or Rabindranath Tagore. And the right answer is D. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 7. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hosts our tricolor flag at options are Taj Mahal, Agra, India Gate, New Delhi, Red Fort, Old Delhi, or Purana Killa, Delhi. And the right answer is Red Fort, Old Delhi. Now question number 8. Who was known as the father of revolutionary thoughts? Bipin Chandra Pal, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi, or Dada Bhai Naoroji? And the right answer is Bipin Chandra Pal. Moving on to question number 9. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? And the options are 9th April 1916, 13 April 1918, 10th April 1918, or 13 April 1919. The right answer is D. 13 April 1919. Now the question number 10. Who gave the title Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? And the options are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. B.R. Ambedkar, or D. Lal Bahadur Shastri? And the answer is B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 11. In which year was the Indian Space Research Organization formed? And your options are 1969, 1979, 1989, or 1959. And the right answer is 1969. Question number 12. How many spots are there in the Ashok Chakra wheel on the Indian national flag? And the options are 12, 24, 36, and 48. And the right answer is 24. Moving on to question number 13. Who designed the national flag of India? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Ram Prasad Bismil, Rabindranath Tagore, or Pingali Venkaya. And the right answer for this question is D. Pingali Venkaya. Moving on to question number 14. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Nehru, Indira Gandhi, or Annie Besant? And the right answer is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 15 for you. What is known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue in Gujarat? Is it Statue of Liberty, Statue of Freedom, Statue of Unity, or Statue of Diversity? And the answer is Statue of Unity. Question number 16. What is the duration of Indian national anthem when it played in full? Options are 52 seconds, 48 seconds, 60 seconds, or 50 seconds. And the right answer is A. 52 seconds. Moving on to question number 17. Who is the first woman to host the Indian national flag? Is it Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Sucheta Kripalani, or Kamala Nehru? And the right answer is Sucheta Kripalani. Moving on to question 18. What does the Ashok Chakra on the Indian national flag represent? Is it the sun, the Indian Ocean, strength and courage, or the wheel of law? And the right answer is D. The wheel of law. Question number 19. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? And the options are Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, A.R. Rahman, or Sarojini Naidu. And the right answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Moving on to question number 20. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi lead Dandi March? And the options are 1920, 1929, 1930, or 1931. Right answer is C. 1930. Question 21. Jai Hind is a popular slogan during Indian freedom struggle. What does it mean? Is it victory to India, blessings to India, long live India, or fight for India? And the right answer is A. Victory to India. Question number 22. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, A.R. Rahman, or Sarojini Naidu. And its answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 23. Which was the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi? Is it Allahabad, Surat, Cuttack, or Porbandar? And the right answer is Porbandar. Question number 24 for you. Whose famous slogan is Give me blood and I will give you freedom? And your options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Rani Lakshmibai, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, or D. Sarojini Naidu. And the right answer is C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 25. What is the national calendar of India? Is it the Satavahana, the Maurya, the Hindu, or the Saka? And the answer is D. The Saka. Question number 26. What does the three colors of national flag represent? Is it A. Religion, peace and peace, or B. Sacrifice, peace and prosperity, or C. Justice, selfishness and agriculture, or D. None of these? And the right answer is D. Sacrifice, peace and prosperity. Question 27. Who wrote the poem सारे जहां से अच्छा? And the options are दादाभाई नारोजी, साहिल लुधियानवी, गुलजार और मोहम्मद इकबाल. And the answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Question 28. Which city is known as City of Prime Ministers? Your options are A. Bhopal, B. Allahabad, C. Varanasi or D. Ahmedabad. And the right answer for this question is B. Allahabad. Moving on to question number 29. Who is our first freedom fighter? Is it Bhagat Singh or Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Mangal Pandey or Subhash Chandra Bose? And the right answer is C. Mangal Pandey. Now the question number 30. How many years did British rule India? Is it about 150 years, about 200 years, about 300 years or about 250 years?